Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Walmart. We're going to be looking at the tools, the hard tools, the new tools that they have, and we're going to be looking at some automotive section there. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell, hitting the like button, so you guys can help out the channel by doing so, and so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos, make more videos like this. So help out the channel by subscribing. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We did have some vacuums to start, and the fan that you guys see at the beginning. Now we have some multi-bit screwdrivers here. It is expanding. It's line, as you guys see. And here at Walmart, you're starting to see more blue and that's the stud finder there. So mostly for the DIYs. Got some tape measures here. Some of these look very familiar, like the Fat Max, like from Stanley and stuff like that. So there's a lot of tools that are very familiar. They look, a different company, but they look very similar. And you got the toolboxes here, really nice toolboxes from Hart. They are the black and blue. So the box is black and they have the blue stripes. Really nice colors. You got some vacuums here. And then I did see the miter saws here at the really nice miter saws. So especially like for the DIY, all these tools are great. But I'm just amazed how many tools you can find at Walmart. Those are nice adjustable tools there. Great pliers. So pretty much, if you break down, if you got a 24/7 Walmart, you can probably just swing by and just pick up all whatever you need to fix it as you go. Got some safety glasses, $9.88. Those are really nice gloves there. You got knuckle protectors there. Really nice gloves. Then you got some organizers, $14.88. Knee pads. Then you got some toolboxes, some storage. So different prices on all these. Some of these are mixed. It's a nice case there. Organizer, $22.97. And then you got a vacuum there, which is open, but somebody left it there. Multi-tool, $10.74. Guess you get 3 different bits. And you get to choose from the Hart brand and the Hyper Tough. So, and I'm pretty sure they do have other brands like I believe Black & Decker, Stanley, and some other brands. But you guys see the circular saw blades, really nice. $10.88. Not like for the DIY, it's like not too bad. That's the radio. Seems to be pretty decent. It looks just like the other brands. Like I said, these tools are made by TTI. TTI makes Ryobi, Rigid, and all those. So they're gonna be some sort of similar. Some DNA is gonna, pass on to Hart. So obviously they're gonna be similar. That means that it's a good tool, at least for the DIY. But it's gonna do its job. And then you got a sander there for $44.88. It's a nice little sander. You got some more tools there. Another fan, $29.76. Not bad. Got a reciprocating saw, a jigsaw, and most of those are $54. So 2 only. And then you got some drill kits there, $79, $94, $69. So you get the price. They're pretty much. They do have a sale, I believe, that if you buy like a tool, like a drill, and then you can add a battery or something like that, a bare tool, a battery, and a charger. They did have some sort of something like that going on. I don't know if that's the sale that they have, but as soon as I find out about the sale, I'll let you guys know. But I'm pretty sure it's on the on the ad, on the weekly ad. So I'll go ahead and look at that. I'll let you guys know on the future. And then you got the shop backs, really nice shop backs. I gotta say, they look like an upgrade from the Stanleys that they had. And they do carry buckets, which I didn't see before. Wish I had seen it. Because I bought my buckets from another store. And it's a lot more expensive. But yeah, I wanted a bucket. And they seem to be pretty good. I like the colors too. And they don't have any brands, any letters on them. So seem to be pretty good. Yeah, and I was looking at these fans. It's crazy. Seems like they got some sort of water bottle built in, and you get the mist, I guess. But they needed the batteries. But yeah, it's very hot here, so they're gonna sell a lot of fans. The whole aisle is just basically a fan. And then I got those Rhino ramps. They're pretty good. $39.42. That's not a bad deal. And they are lightweight. They are easier to carry. And I like the way they grip when you're driving on top of them. They grip pretty good, and they do got some jack stands if you guys need them. I know Harbor Freight did do a recall on their jack stands, so you can probably swing by here and just pick up a couple. They're not too expensive here either. Then you got the hybrid fan. We did see this at the beginning of the video, but I didn't talk much about it. Yeah, I see the hybrid fan. It's from it's battery operated and it's corded, so you can do either or. And then if you guys haven't used this brand, I recommend it. It's kind of pricey, but if you have a black vehicle, then you got to use all these brands, especially this turtle ice wax thing, spray wax. I use it as a detailer, so in case my truck is sitting out there, I want to try that one out. They say that was even better than the wax, than the blue model. But yeah, every time you're like washing a vehicle, and especially here, it gets really hot, and you don't get the best car wash, like you get spots, water spots and stuff like that. A lot of it has to do with the water. It's really hard water here. There's a lot of, if you want to, like I said, if it's really hot here, if you guys want to do your own AC, Walmart's the way to go to just get yourself a better price. Same thing with the antifreeze, the oil, everything. Yeah, and I did pick that up because usually I go to the stores and they don't have the concentrate. They just have the 50/50. So I just picked it up because I saw it. It's real cheap. It's only $10. And I was thinking of what kind of oil should I get. If you guys know, if you guys recommend an oil for an older vehicle, it's a Ford Ranger 4-cylinder. What do you guys use on your vehicle? So let me know down in the comment section what type of oil you guys use and what type of oil filter combination. Or do you guys switch the oil thickness as winter and summer gets here? So let me know down in the comment section. My brother does use Valvoline. I was planning to go with Valvoline and Mobile One, but I was looking at the price. They're a little high, and pretty much Castro seems like a middle grade type of thing from the price wise. So I was kind of trying to see if I could do like a synthetic Castro, but I know you're not supposed to switch from synthetic and semi-synthetic and regular oil on your vehicle. So I just went with semi-synthetic, and I'm just going to stay there at semi-synthetic. I'm not going to go to full synthetic or just conventional. But I ended up going with the Castro, the white bottle there at the bottom. And I was just looking through those Valvolines, and some of them were leaking, so they didn't have the one that I needed. It's a 530. They did have one bottle, but it was leaking. And I ended up going with the Castro GTX, the bottom one. Had to take a few of those bottles because I don't see right now is that the thing is that you want to avoid coming to Walmart because of the what's going on. Especially here in the state that the the cases are going up. But yeah, you just want to pick up as much as you can. Me, I do oil changes almost every month. So, because I do drive my truck a lot, I put a lot, just a lot of miles. I put 100 miles sometimes a day, and that, I mean, that's a lot. So I do oil changes almost every 3 weeks or every four weeks, depending on how much I drive. And I did see, I was really surprised to see Motorcraft. Never known that Walmart does sell Motorcraft. Let me know if you guys use Steel Motorcraft or not. And then another good thing to get is the tires. They do have them on clearance on the store. I don't know why they have them on clearance, but it could be that the tire shop center or service center is down. Maybe that's why they have them on clearance. They're just trying to, get rid of them. But yeah, you got some nice all-terrain speed coverage for $79. Those are really nice. I wish I didn't buy my truck tires before. I should have just gotten from here. But yeah, those are clearance for $49. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to help out the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos, and more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching.